disease is this nation's #1 killer, claiming more lives than all forms of cancer combined.
Tonight in Healthwatch, Shelley Botot tells us how a heart attack can happen even to a person with no history of heart disease.
At 65 years old, Dave Mariucci is an active outdoorsman and had no previous heart history. 3 months ago, he went to the gym to work out, mowed the lawn, and then was playing with his grandkids when suddenly he couldn't catch his breath.
It just felt like I had to cough, but I was starting to perspire.
Dave didn't have any chest pain or arm numbness, but his wife, an RN, knew something was wrong, so they went to urgent care.
They acted quickly over there, did an ECG, which showed a heart attack. They actually had to shock him for an abnormal rhythm over there.
Dave was rushed to Aurora BayCare Medical Center.
The 3 major arteries of the heart, the one that runs down the front of his heart, was completely blocked.
The cause, a blood clot.
They rupture a plaque in the artery, a cholesterol plaque, and then that clot forms. And depending on how severe that clot is how they present. In his case, the artery is completely blocked. We did a cath right away. He had an occluded artery, which we opened up, and he did great.
Dave was surprised he had a heart attack.
It happened so fast that it was one of those things where I still don't believe I had it. It's like, I call it an incident, not a heart attack.
Dr. Schmidt says Dave is lucky he went in right away.
If he had not been seeing one of these abnormal rhythms, he probably wouldn't have woken up.
And Dave had minimal damage. He is now in cardiac rehab and feeling great, but he is still recuperating.
I can't shovel snow, but I can run the snowblower.
Dr. Schmidt says there are a few signs of a blood clot blocking an artery, like discomfort and shortness of breath. But in some cases, people don't have any symptoms. So his advice, keep your heart healthy, eat right, exercise, and don't smoke. To learn more, you can call Aurora BayCare or email healthwatch@aurorabaycare.com. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Shelley Botot, Local 5 News HD.